legends like that. For example, there are weird Jewish legends from the Middle Ages that talk about how the descendants of Cain became apes. And there's also a whole idea of, like you said, the notion of the cynocephaly, that there's a possibility that one of the encounters that brought about the stories of the cynocephaly was people from the north, Europeans or whatever, that encountered apes and were not able to discern whether or not what they were dealing with was human or not. And it just because they weren't used to seeing apes, and apes stand up and they have features that are similar to ours. And so there's a sense in which they kind of like they are this kind of weird in between space between humans and other animals, and that they could be perceived that way. But what's interesting mostly is to understand how in the medieval mind, they see it ontologically. They don't see it as the evolutionists think of it in terms of like a progress of mechanical and physical causality. They see it ontologically as, apes are lower than humans. And so the idea that, like, as Cain degrades and goes down into the body and loses the higher aspect of him, then he would become a monkey, like he would become an ape. And that type of thinking is still there